Donald Trump released a crypto, an official Trump meme coin, and went parabolic. Let's discuss in this video what will happen to it because I don't want you to lose money. What's up guys, Amar here. Let's immediately get into the video. Now before I start, make sure to like and subscribe. I really want to reach 700 followers as soon as possible guys, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Now let's get into it. Donald Trump, or should I say Donald Pump, officially released a meme token called Trump, obviously. And guys, this is bullish. Not only for his meme token, but also for the entire industry. Not only meme coins, but altcoins in general. Because again, Trump is bullish on altcoins. I already released this in my other video, which you can, by the way, find here. Just watch this video, you'll understand why Trump is so bullish on altcoins and why I am so bullish as well. Make sure to go check it out. But now, this is just huge, guys. This is huge. Because think about it. The president, or the president to be in, what, one day, the president of the United States is extremely bullish on crypto. And that means, or not that means, but that will likely mean that other countries will follow with a meme token. Perhaps. This is just a theory that I have. Because if one starts, the other one starts as well. It's always like that. The same with the adoption of crypto. El Salvador started, and now other countries are starting, including Thailand, the US. Many other countries are starting to adopt crypto now as well. So they all follow each other. So I'm on the edge of my chair to see which country or which leader or whatever will launch a token next. Now let's quickly look at the chart. Guys, it's at a $65 billion market cap with 761,000 followers. That's just insane if you ask me. Now you might be wondering, would I buy in? Now the honest truth is, this could pump a lot higher. As Trump is about to enter the office, this could really pump a lot higher, still towards $100 or $120. This could still do an X2 from here. However, is it worth the risk? In my opinion, no. The first time that I saw this token, it was around 14, 15, let's say maximum $20. I was like, I really do want to buy, but it's already up way too much. Now, do I regret not buying? Of course I do a little bit regret. Of course, it's normal. However, it was already up way too much for me. It went from $0 to $20. That's already an X20. Is it really worth it for me to buy more? Not really. I was just patiently waiting, and sadly, luckily for the holders, price went up a lot higher, and so many people became a millionaire within a day. Like, it's actually crazy. So this is really bullish. And I remember Trump saying that we will be tired of winning, that we will start to win so much, and this might just be the beginning of this current winning streak. Now, in terms of technical analysis, guys, there's nothing much to base myself on. The only thing that I can base myself on lower time frames is on the 30 minutes. And that's very simple. We have all-time high here, and we have a support zone here. If we fall below the support zone, we could start to dump lower. We could start to dump lower back towards the $45, $40 level, and below there towards the $35-ish level to start with. Of course, this could still fall a lot lower. And it's also healthy for a meme token to correct. Because with meme tokens, the important thing that you have to know is that once their first major crash comes, that will decide, or the market then will decide if this token will survive or not. And once this major crash comes for Trump token, let's say a good 65 to 75%, we could see a very deep decline in price. And if it starts to hold support here, then this token over time will grow more in value. It's as simple as that. But as if for now, I would definitely not start to buy. I would just patiently wait till price makes a very good correction, and then I would start to buy in. Now, another thing that's been coming to my attention is that a lot of people are fading Ethereum. So if we quickly look at Ethereum, we can see that it's forming a reversal pattern. Now, what's interesting about this is that Bitcoin also formed an exact pattern like that. And it looks like Ethereum is mimicking that behavior. Now, important for Ethereum is, of course, that we need a reclaim above this zone to start with. Turning $3,500 into support is a major key for Ethereum. That will bring us higher towards the $4,000 level. Turning $4,000 level again into support is crucial. Why? Because that will push us higher towards all-time high. And within this movement right here, altcoins will really see a decent run-up. Now, if we look at the higher time frame, my perspective from the inverted head and shoulders pattern on Ethereum remains the same. If we look at it, it's very simple. Left shoulder. By the way, I'm not a head and shoulders pattern chaser or whatever. I really do not like this type of pattern, but this one seems pretty clear to me. Again, I could be wrong. The formation of the right shoulder is happening as we speak. So let's see what will happen in the next coming days and weeks to be. We have the right shoulder that's being formed right now. We held support here. We could still spike a little bit lower, but let's say we overall hold support around here. Now, what has to happen is, again, this movement to the upside towards $4,000 to start with. And then our right shoulder is being formed. Then the only thing lasting is for us a breakout from this pattern, aka turning $4,000 into support. And if we logically use technical analysis, knowledge, we can see from the head on to the shoulder line that our next target, if this pattern will come true, would be around $7,500. And that will align with my first bull target for Ethereum. My first bull target for Ethereum is around $7,500. Above there, around 9,500-ish to 10,000. And above there, everything that is above there is just pure take profit, in my opinion. Roughly targeting a $12,500. But let's see, could obviously go a lot higher. We don't fucking know. But as of for now, in the short term, that's what I'm looking for. First break above this level. Now, one thing that I've been seeing on X is that people are getting bearish on Twitter. For example, Luke Belmar. Now, note, I love Luke Belmar. I love his content. I really do agree with a lot of perspectives that he's sharing, but also have perspectives that I do not agree with, and this is one of them. Trump just validated Solana, which is true by building his token on the Solana chain. I am officially selling all my Ethereum, and I've seen a lot of influencers talk bad about Ethereum lately. Now, I'm not bashing Luke here or whatever, or saying that he's dumb or whatever, far from. But it's just something that I do not agree with. There's no reason to sell Ethereum. Why? Because Ethereum, as usual, is lagging behind. And logically seeing, guys, we need Ethereum to break above all-time high, to continue higher. Why? Because that also will be bullish for Solana. Because honestly, as long as Ethereum doesn't go up, Solana will not go much higher either, in my opinion. This just happened because of the movement of Trump. But is there any other reason now to say, okay, yeah, we should buy Solana instead of Ethereum besides it's being cheaper? Nah, really, in my opinion. So there's no reason to bash Ethereum at all, because it's just logically that it's logical in every bull market that Ethereum lags behind. That some other coins might, see an explosion while Ethereum is doing a 1%, 5% return. Others might do like 20%, 30% return, but that doesn't matter. As long as Ethereum doesn't explode, most of the alts will not either. And as long as Ethereum doesn't explode, that will also mean that Bitcoin dominance is not collapsing to the downside. And as long as Bitcoin dominance is not collapsing to the downside, we will not see anything happening to our altcoins besides a little bit of a pumpamental, and for the rest, more downside or corrections could come along the way. Now, let me quickly repeat my perspective on Bitcoin dominance. If we break above this pattern right here, break above this zone, something like this, we will retest obviously $61, but I think that will be broken very fast. And we will retest around the 63 to 64% before heading lower and starting our alt season. Now, is this something that I'm sure of? Not really. What could happen as well is that we keep on rejecting this level right here, which is actually crucial to reject for us to be bearish. we keep on rejecting it, we start to lose support around 57.20%. And once this happens, guys, we will fall towards 54% and lower as well. That alt season that everybody is talking about will then be finally coming. But as if for now, yes, we have to be patiently waiting to see which direction the charts will go. Now, another thing is there a reason to be bearish on Ethereum? Not really. Yeah, maybe in the short term, we could still see a little bit of corrections, but overall, with Luke, for example, here saying that Trump just validated Solana, he's also validating Ethereum. For again, if you watch my last video, you would know this already. But if we look at World Liberty Financial Holdings, guys, their top holding is Ethereum. They invested 62.19 million in it, at an average price of $3,700. They invested $2 million in Link. Again, for the people who know or follow me already for a while, they know that I'm very bullish on Link. So as they hold Link, that's bullish for altcoins. They hold AVE as well, which is bullish for altcoins. They hold ENA, which, or ENA, whatever you want to however you want to pronounce it. I do not know this token, but they hold it. And perhaps they know something that we don't about this token. So perhaps you should do some fucking research about this token. Just a little small tip for you guys. Just a small little tip. What else do they hold? Now, Ondo Finance. Again, about Ondo, I already spoke multiple times as well in my former videos. Make sure to check out my YouTube channel because I already talked about Ondo being adopted by AUMs. For people who do not know, AUMs are assets under management companies. And they hold wrapped Bitcoin around $10 million at an average price of $97,000. Which, guys, is just overall super nice. It is super nice. This is just very bullish for the market, if you ask me. Times are good, guys. Times are good. Now, another interesting thing that you have to know is that World Liberty Financial Holdings, as well, just literally an hour ago, or actually, if I should refresh this might now be 3 hours and 2 hours ago, but they recently, literally 2 hours ago, bought 1,555 Ethereum. They bought another 1,500 Ethereum. They bought another 1,500 Ethereum. They bought another 1,500 Ethereum. Guys, they bought over, what is this, 1,400, 1,000, this is around, what, 6,000 Ethereum? They bought 6,000 Ethereum in a matter of 2 hours. That's just bullish on its own. And that's something that you have to pay attention to as well, is they always say you have to follow the money. Trump equals money. A president equals money. This right here, World Liberty, equals money. So following the money means that Ethereum is still, in their opinion, very valuable, and that Ethereum will likely see a very good run this bull market as well, that they are very aware of. They are aware of things that we are not aware of. It's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. That's how the game works. That's how the game works. And there's no reason whatsoever to fade Ethereum. Because, again, we need Ethereum to be bullish, for Bitcoin dominance to be bearish, and for altcoins to explode. It's as simple as that. All right, guys, hope this short video helped. See you in the next one.